Usembut Menteri Rangba ubakmi ikatanat PWD Roads ubak Preston Tensong haka katnyo terik kelalingkon ulak hot penlong ya kejinya lang bishar kam halor kejing penkrek ban pentre ki pratali ki projek surok bakongsan ke Jylla ki bakot haduk palat san hajar klur. Ngas ngokumen shibun ban pentip syabaro ba kejinya jongka kam kalong kabaya ibek ya irenti ong ubak Preston haba keren syakilat pathai kubor hadin kejinya lang. Ula ongru 4 Judon ki Sarkar haka history jong ke Jylla Meghalaya nadu usnem kat kendai spak new puar hadu menta. Henry ditangkan ni ke Sarkar nadu usnem arjar kat phra hadu menta kabalawan ra ya ki bakum kini ki projek. Kum taru ngi kwa ban pendep kam klo ya baro kini ki projek namar kin long shisha ke jingkerku ke bakrau ya ki pajba bat ya ke Jylla hi baro ka wei ula benram. Kini ki pratali ki projek surok bakongsan ki kentup ya ka daina dubi daru Grey Road ba 10 kilometer ha ka jingmang ka ba news pa san point prapulai klur surok daru Grey Sha William Nagar lai punriu kilometer pras pa iwei klur surok tura talu san puai kilometer nriu spa shipho klur surok nongston rambrai krishai lai pulai kilometer lai spa san pukhandai klur Shillong Western Bypass package 1 kat ar point pra kilometer nriu spa arpho klur package 2 kat waypoint khandai po kilometer nriu spa prapundriu klur bat package 3 kat lai point san pusan kilometer san spa nriu pu ar klur surok Shillong Dauki Shihajar ar spa klur Tura bypass khandai spa saupulai klur bat ka surok high speed corridor na Maulungkung na flyover Umyam Lake Sha 5 gram hap Assam. Na kebenta ka high speed corridor project yang mentah ke jingle ka survey bat ke jing keren bat ya penbait bat kirang bat shnong kadang ya syakmat. Ngin sayo ya ke jing tip ka babenia halol ka mang tengka tat hadian bala pendep ya ke DPR ulaong. Haba pen pa wa ke jing yo jaka ka de ke jing ka bakrau na kebenta kini ki project surok bakongsan ubak tensong ulaong. Nyo pusan pesen na ke ne ke jing lang bishar kam la penlut por banyak keren halor kamat kabayade bat ka kam thit jaka. Ngas ko kumen ban pentip syapi bala bishar benia ya baru kini ki projek ngala betha ya baru ki tenat badai khmi bakin penstet ya ki jingtre kam namar ngi kwa ban pendep no kham kloi ya kini ki projek knang bakin long da shisha ki jingger khu ya ke Jylla Meghalaya ula ong da ka babanrap kum tanga ong ngidon ya ki projek ki babiang baha keleng ke Jylla bat ngati kena bahapo kini ki khendiat snam nadu menta ngin yo i ya ki jingkela ki bansawan hapo ka Jylla. Haba kali halor ka jinya jong ka projek surok Shillong Dauki Deputy Chief Minister ulaong hooj pet ya kasong baningkong baar basaw bat bandriu ngas ngokumen shibun ban pentip syapi baki kam kilaya syakmat bat ka bapenhun Henry ki don kat to kat niki kyap ha ka baki try jaka ki ong em phimla ban le phila ban sange ya ka kam namar ngampat syam layo ya ka jingsiu halor ka bai jaka u pentip ru baya ka surok Shillong Dauki on sa pendep no hapo usnem arhajar arpundriu. Na kebenta kasong balai ngim don kanu ke jing kasong balai ke de ke pun ursla bypass bat kane ke bypass menta ka Sarkar India kala dep ban menjur ya ka DPR bat kaneru kala kot syakumba sanspa ndri pusau klur benrap ubat tensong. Nalor kata Deputy Chief Minister ulaong baka projek surok Corridor Expressway ka bapoi syeduk silchar lamang haga jinglut ban kot hadu arpusan hajar klur kata kentup ya ka jingsiu bai jaka ka baterai kam Sha Assam ban Meghalaya ulaong ru batang Meghalaya la dek ban mang kumba khatsan hajar klur.
It's a review meeting today with the important projects being implemented by NHIDCL so throughout the state. So few projects we have taken a review meeting. One is the construction of road Dainadubi Darukre it's about 40 kilometers. And number 2, again, road from Darugre to William Nagar. It's about 36 kilometers. And then again, Tura Dalu Road, about 51 kilometers. Then again, Nongston Rambrai Kershai route. It's about 33 kilometers. Then Shillong Western Bypass, about 12.8 kilometers. Then again, we discuss about this Shillong Western Bypass. This is package 1. Package 1 is 12.80 kilometers. Package 2, Western Bypass again 1190 kilometer. And package 3, about 11.90, 13.55 kilometers. So we have 3 packages in the Western Bypass. Then we also talk about Shillong Dawki route, the progress of Shillong Dawki route, and we discussed also about the construction of Tura bypass, and lastly we discussed about the high-speed corridor from Maulung Khung, means from that flyover Umyang Lake up to Panchkram, Panchkram in Assam, where our border is in Ratashara. So we discussed about these projects in the state, all of you, that the progress of work is good, and even there are projects which the land acquisition proceeding is still on. I reviewed about that also, that we wanted to make sure that the project is completed timely, whatever hurdles we have, because see now the challenges we have is we discussed almost 75% of our review meeting is about the land issue. The land issues, sometimes they have, we have this kind of fighting among the counter claiming of Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. So a lot of complications have taken place. So we spend more time, I should say, in the land acquisition, in the land issues. And I'm happy to tell you that all these projects, what I've already explained to all of you, I have taken the review and now I'm happy. All the department concerned also, they were all present. I've instructed all the concerned department to speed up, fasten their function, because we wanted to really complete this project at the earliest possible. And this will be the blessing for the state of Meghalaya. And as I said, we have got such a very good project throughout the state, and I'm very sure within few years time from now we will really see the transformation that has taken place in the state of Meghalaya. So these are the issues which we discussed today in the review meeting. These projects, I think it will be more than 5,000 crores that these projects are being implemented. We will convert it into double lane. We want to make Tengan up to beyond Sala. We wanted to convert it into double lane. To package 4 and 5, I'm very happy to tell you that the progress is very good, satisfactory. And of course, there are few issues where sometimes the landowners, they said, no, you cannot, you have to stop the work because we are yet to receive the payment, of compensation. In fact, the compensation has been paid, but as I said to you again, the counterclaim came in. Suppose now if we pay to Mr. A, the genuine landowner, again the second one they'll say, no, it belongs to me, my mom, my dad has given it to me. These kind of things are there. But whatever challenges that we have, and let me tell you one thing, we are overcoming it one by one. It is because why see, this is the we call it the corridor expressway. It, as I told you, it reaches up to Syllad. So it's the total project which is being earmarked in the budget is about 25,000 crores. 25,000 crores, including land compensation deeds.
Was only Meghalaya side or both Assam and Meghalaya?
No, both Assam and Meghalaya. So only in Meghalaya alone, it will not be less than 15,000. Surok Rauki, the targeted dates is in 2026.
So package 3 had some problems earlier also. Is that problem still persists?
Which no, package 3 we don't have because package 3 I'm telling you package 3 is the Peninsula bypass. That is Peninsula bypass, and that Peninsula bypass right now is government of India has already approved it. Has already approved the proposed DPR, and that also it comes to around. Let me tell you, I'll tell you about the thing about this Peninsula bypass. It comes to 564 crores. Kini tanki big project ki bengal. Bapini keren ni siya kasorkar MDO government 4 don ha ka history jo Meghalaya. Nget yang ha 4 don ha ka history jong Meghalaya. Nando ukhat kan dai spa nyu pu ara du ta ka dei kan ne ke government. Ko bang ngi yalam nado arja khat phra. Hadu menta ka sengi kabalala banora kat kini ki project ki bang ngimju thos new ngimju boy perkat. Tenai kata nga ka jing bisar pai ba. Namar bateng teng ke jing pensutu bakla ka bun jaj bun hukom tenai kata ngam ong kom no taba ngi kwa ba kini ke project ki lawan ngi kwa ban pendem hapok kapor ka babiang khanang ba kan lo ke jing mentoi ki pai ba jo ke Jylla Meghalaya. CM he met the honorable minister today. Yes, about this project, and we also have again some pending projects, like as I said to you now, Nong Stoin Rambrai Kershai. You know, the first phase is to be completed very shortly, only within Rambrai, and the remaining road connectivity is again for another 34 or 35 kilometers to connect with Assam in Chegao. So now CM he requested the honorable minister about this also that please consider the second phase of this project so that Meghalaya and Assam, once it is interconnected, it will be a blessing for the people who stays in such areas or in that areas. Tayo kanika surok ng pynkylla folate ya kanika umyam of to Shillong. Ya kanika umyam to Shillong ro ni la firai bangin le de folate. Di ya kaniru nakalian ke NHTL kila thum yo konsultan agaba mener midang discuss hakini ke kinyas ni finalize ya ka alignment jong kani namar ka wiru ni kwa ban bypass no ya kanika dam namar ba kanika dam kumalong mata perkat pi ka restriction ya kanika way ka kata sibun ba wat kini ki night super kimla suban sange akte po ISPT de mentang idang ya finalize agaba muslim chu in finalize kanika alignment kenang ba konsultan nga ban penbit penbiang ya kadi kapok ka babiang namang the government of India ru kapedian skumai kanika proposal sini bat ki ong ru ba warna wood je kanika proposal kenang bangin la ya ban I sanction baka kam kan ya Syllad telan gila ban le sa kaniru kan lo ke jimentoi ke kraw ya ka Shillong ke juni ban ya ke Jylla Meghalaya juni barokoi. Let me tell you one thing, government of India is very clear about this project, and they said it should be a complete project of greenfield where we will not connect with the existing road at all. We have to give it completely a greenfield, meaning we have to have a separate route altogether, and we avoid the village, the community, or we avoid even expansion of the existing road. So that is the meaning of the greenfield. So government of India has instructed us that it should be completely a greenfield project.
So what will be the benefits? Which are the areas connecting this project?
Sorry?
Benefits of the project, which are the main areas it will be connected?
No, see the benefit is, now it will be converted to 4 lanes, number one, and from Umyam, number two, this very project will be converted into high speed expressway, and it is also a corridor between Assam and Meghalaya. So see, the benefit will be a lot. You know it. We have seen it quite oftenly about the congestion that we have. Sometimes we do have so much commercial vehicles flying on this road. I think we have seen it, and I'm telling you, once this project is completed, it will be really benefited to the state of Meghalaya. Whatever project implementation done, number one is we have to get the environmental clearance. Same way we have to get the forest clearance. So before getting all these clearances from different departments, be it the state laws or be it the central laws, let me tell you, I think we have to comply, we have to meet all these guidelines or these prescribed norms, and therefore side by side we are complying to all these guidelines. And there are projects where we have to compensate. We call it compensatory afforestation, where we have to compensate to forest department as per the direction from the pollution control board, as per the direction from the forest ministry and forest department. So we let me tell you one thing: when we construct in line with adjustment to the environment. This is today also. I saw in the social media, even me, I saw in the newspaper. But this one, I will not say anything. I cannot comment anything because see, these people, the very landowner, in fact, it is their wisdom to decide whether they want middleman or they want to have somebody to represent them to the office for compensation, this that I have nothing to say. But from our side, there is no mistake at all. We have already released the payment to the genuine landowners, because we have to check each and every paper that they have, whether it's genuine or not. And then number two, we need also the verification from the local headman, from this aim, from the district. That has been done. That's why we were able to release the compensation to all the concerned landowners. But later on, again, as I said, now some counterclaim happens again. Oh no, this land belongs to me. No, my father, my mother. See, here's the paper, like that. But that is too late. We don't entertain from our side, because we have already done. We have already completed the whole process, and even if they go to the district collector office, they will get everything what they want. Everybody can see, they know it, how much must they aim, how much must they get, according to the assessment made by the district collector and also by the different department, whatever.